How's it going? I'm here for day 15 of Fergal's Tune of the Day for 2019. I got a request for this tune a couple of days ago. I can't find the request, so I don't know who requested it. But if you did request Saddle the Pony, the jig, then this one is for you. I do like to hear your requests, so please feel free to suggest tunes to me.